Python has an else clause on loops, and most developers have never used it. Here's when it actually matters. The else clause on a loop runs only when the loop completes normally, meaning no break statement was hit. If a break fires, Python skips the else block entirely. This is different from an if-else. The else here belongs to the break, not the condition. Think of it as, the break did not happen, so now do this. The classic alternative is a flag variable. Set found to false before the loop, flip it to true when you find your target, break out, then check found after the loop. It works, but it's verbose. You need an extra variable, an assignment inside the loop, and a conditional check outside. That's 3 moving parts just to answer one question. Did I find it? The else clause eliminates all of that. Loop through your collection, break when you find the target, and put your not found logic directly in the else block. No flag, no extra conditional. The code structure itself communicates the intent. And this works identically with while loops. Any loop that has a break can use an else clause to handle the exhausted case. Loop else replaces flag variables cleanly. Perfect for search patterns. Follow for more Python tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.